Dennis Carr here with our market review, week November 19th to the 23rd. Another bad week for the dollar, with a continuing decline against the euro and, more significantly, further losses against the yen. There are mounting concerns for the US economy, with the Fed making a downward revision of the US economic outlook. The market has already factored in a new interest rate cut for December. It seems we've only seen the tip of the iceberg that is the credit crisis. A growing number of financial companies could well start to experience problems and have a negative impact on the US economy. The week saw heavy selling of the dollar, with euro-dollar hitting new highs at 149.66 Friday morning. We were a little surprised at the pace of the dollar sell-off, as we'd identified strong resistance at 148.75. However, the Thanksgiving holiday had created a thin, volatile market, and Friday afternoon saw the pair drop below our resistance and close at 148.35. Sterling is beset with problems, with last week's figures pointing to a weakening in the UK economy. We expect that the downward correction of the European currencies could continue through this week, with sterling looking weaker than the euro. The pound will find support at 20500 and below that at 20320. If it rises, it'll encounter resistance at 20650 and beyond that at 20840. Although the market is prepared for a further Fed rate cut, we expect traders to start anticipating possible British and European rate cuts. We believe that the Eurozone economy will withstand the US slowdown, but nevertheless, our short-term outlook is for some stabilization in euro-dollar. 147.50 will offer strong support for the pair this week. We see the downtrend of dollar-yen continuing, with significant support being encountered in the 104.60 to 105 zone. A raft of US housing figures will be released this coming week and should prove interesting reading. However, because no one expects anything good from these stats, they should not put any additional pressure on the dollar. Other news to watch out for this week includes US consumer confidence on Tuesday and UK house prices and Treasury Committee hearings on Thursday. Well, that's all, folks. See you next week for another edition of Market Review.